Hello everyone. So we have a question here, and this question says that this is not drawn to scale, please, but this is supposed to be a square. All right. Now this is a square of side 1 unit, and inside it is inscribed was inscribed a hexagon. A hexagon is a polygon of 6 sides. So you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now these sides are of equal length. As we are told, they are of equal length. So that means that if from here to here is x, that means from here to here is another x, right? Then this is x as well. This is x as well. This is x and this is x. They are of equal length. Now we are asked to do what? We are asked to find the value of x. That means we are looking for the size of, or the length of, one of the sides of the hexagon. Now this is actually very easy to solve. Let's get to it. First of all, remember that let's start with what we know. Let's just draw out this small right angle triangle here. So let's quickly draw that out. So if we draw it out like this, because I want to explain something using that. Okay, so this is what we have. This is not drawn to scale, please, as you can see. Now this is our x. Okay, now let's go back to this. Remember that the whole of this place is what? 1. Okay, so that means that this side is what? 1 minus x. Remember that this is x as well. It's the side of a hexagon. So it means that 1 minus x will give us this side. Okay, so that means that we can write this side as 1 minus x. Now similarly, from here to here is 1 as well. And from here to here is x. So it means that this remaining portion is also 1 minus x. I would like you to watch this video to the end because it's actually tricky but interesting. Okay, so this side is also 1 minus x. So that means that we have 1 minus x here as well. And remember that this is a right angle triangle because this is 90 degrees. Okay, now we can actually get something using the Pythagoras theorem. Yes, the Pythagoras theorem states that in a right angle triangle of sides A, B, this place is h, our hypotenuse, right? Yes. Now, according to the Pythagoras theorem, the hypotenuse squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. So if we relate it to what we have here, it means that our hypotenuse is x. So we can write that x squared is equal to 1 minus x squared plus 1 minus x squared. Right? Yeah. Okay. Now, remember that a minus b all squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, in our case, our a is equal to 1 and our b is equal to x. So let's expand. So that means that we can write that x squared is equal to a squared, that is 1 squared, minus 2ab, that is minus 2 multiplied by 1 multiplied by x, then plus b squared plus x squared. Okay, so that is it for this one. Then plus the same thing, since this and this, they are the same, so we are going to have the same thing here. We are going to have 1 squared minus 2 multiplied by 1 multiplied by x plus x squared. Okay, all right, now let's simplify. We have x squared is equal to 1 squared is 1 minus 2 times 1 times x is 2x plus x squared, plus we are going to have the same thing like this, right? So it's going to be 1 minus 2x plus x squared as well. So we collect like terms. We have x squared is equal to 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, minus 2x minus 2x minus 2x minus 2x plus x squared plus x squared plus x squared plus x squared. Okay, so you have x squared is equal to 1 plus 1 is 2 minus 2x is minus 4x, and plus x squared is plus 2x squared. Okay, now let's take everything to this side. If we do that, we have x squared is equal to, x squared, then plus 2 will cross to become minus 2. Okay, then minus 4x will cross to become plus 4x, and plus 2x squared will cross to become minus 2x squared is equal to 0. Now, x squared minus 2x squared, x squared minus 2x squared, then plus 4x minus 2 is equal to 0. I'm trying to arrange this well, just like a quadratic equation is supposed to be. Okay, all right, then we have x squared minus, I'm repeating myself now, x squared minus 2x squared will give us minus x squared. So we have minus x squared plus 4x minus 2 is equal to 0. So in order to remove this negative sign here, let's multiply through by minus 1. If we do that, we have x squared minus 4x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now, we are going to solve this using the quadratic equation formula. And this formula states that x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, everything divided by 2a. Now, in this case, a is equal to 1, the coefficient of x squared. B is equal to minus 4, the coefficient of x, and c is equal to 2, our constant. Okay, so if we substitute that into this place, we will have that x is equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of minus 4 squared minus 4 multiplied by our a is 1 and our c is 2, everything divided by 2 multiplied by 1. So we have that x is equal to minus will give us plus. So we have 4 plus or minus the square root of minus 4 squared is 16. Then 4 times 2 is 8. So we have minus 8. Everything divided by 2. Now, if this is the first time you are seeing us, please click the subscription button and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss our amazing videos. We upload our videos daily, so tune in at your convenience to watch our new uploads, and please give us a thumbs up if you're actually enjoying this video. So I'm copying the last thing that we wrote. So this is what we have. Now, don't say, oh, the answer, I know the answer already. Remember, we are going to get 2 answers here, and one of them is not correct. So I will advise to watch to the end and see which of the values of x we are going to pick. Okay? All right. Now, we are going to have 4 plus or minus square root of 8 divided by 2. Okay, so this simply means that we have 2 values for our x. The first value of x is 4 plus square root of 8 divided by 2. And the second value of x is equal to 4 minus square root of 8 divided by 2. Now, which of them is correct? Let's go back to the drawing. If you look at this drawing now, you notice that we are told that the whole of this place is 1, right? And we are looking for x. So it simply means that x is less than 1. X is less than 1. Okay, that one is certain. Now let's go back to this place. If you look at this, notice that 4 plus root 8 divided by 2 is greater than 1. So that means that this side is rejected. Okay, this is rejected. Now it simply means that our x is this. So we have x is equal to 4 minus root 8 divided by 2. Now let us simplify further. X is equal to, remember that when you have a minus b divided by c, this is equal to a divided by c minus b divided by c. Okay, so that means we can write this as 4 divided by 2 minus root 8 divided by 2. Okay, so we have x is equal to 2 divide itself. 1 divide 4, we have 2. Okay, so what we have here is 2 minus, now square root of 8 can be written as square root of 4 multiplied by square root of 2, because 4 times 2 is 8. Now divided by 2, okay? So our x is equal to 2 minus square root of 4 will give us 2. So we have 2 root 2 divided by 2, okay? Therefore, x is equal to 2 minus 2 will divide itself to give us 1, and 1 times root 2 will give us root 2. And this is the final value of our x. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.